I think we're good. We'll run the second race here, the Fear of Heights. We're coming out of the wire here. Looks like Fredes. It's looking pretty good. Sliding out around everyone there. Claiming the victory. Everybody got kind of bunched up there. And then, you know, just popped out right around everyone. That's how it goes sometimes. Very spread out. Like, super spread out on this one. Alright, we're gonna try Obstacles by Torrential Rain. Alright guys, we're gonna be checking out this band here, Torrential Rain, with the song Obstacles. This was requested by Fredes Bird. Let's check it out. German band. Vocals are crazy. Dude, what the heck is that? Those electronics or something? Drummer's going in. Some days I feel like I've got way too much to say. So many thoughts in my head without the eloquence to carry. Dude, that bass is so deep. Screams are awesome. Cleans are awesome. Ooh. Nice. Yeah. Vocals are solid. Both amazing. Very punchy. Bass is great. Oh, that's a nice touch. The blend with the electronics or whatever that is sounds cool. Really different. That's a really good chorus. Really good chorus. The kicks are crazy. Okay. Hold your head up and fight the urge to let go. Okay. There's something hiding in the struggle, you know. When there's no difference between suffering and pleasure. Really just going in on the bass. There's some pretty cool ambient layers, a lot of different sound effects. More energy. Oh my god, that's a saxophone. What? They're going in. Oh. They went like full on grand finale there at the end. Oh my gosh, that was like a fireworks show. I mean, they just like went in right at the end, grand finale. What the heck? Yeah, sax solo breakdown. What the heck? That was pretty crazy. Yeah, there were like a lot of cool sound effects, ambient layers, a lot of weird stuff, a lot of stuff that sounded pretty unique to them. I thought both the vocalists sounded awesome. I really liked the tone of the unclean vocalist. The guy pulling out the cleans, building a really awesome chorus. I really liked the chorus in there, really liked it. Drummer coming in crazy with the kicks, bass really deep. I didn't think the riffs were like overly crazy or anything. They had this really nice pattern going, but all for that like build up into a saxophone breakdown and then just full madness at the end was just awesome. Really liked that. That deserves more views. That easily deserves more views. That's less than 3,000 views. Less than 3,000. Dude, if that band keeps cranking music out like that, I think they will start to gain a lot of popularity. What is up, YouTube? If you want a chance to win a live song request, then be here on Sundays at 5 p.m. Eastern. We're streaming marbles on stream. You'll get a marble. It'll run the obstacle course, and if you're lucky enough to win, you'll get a song request of your choice. It is a blast, guys. So many people show up. I've discovered so many new bands doing this. It's just something fun, different than the day-to-day stuff on the channel. There'll be links down below to the Discord where you can join, find out how to enter the races. We're always in there chatting, memeing, talking anything about music. It is so freaking fun, guys, so I will see you there. And as always, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one.